right? Stitcher, probably B tier. Hairpin, Hairpin actually isn't too bad. Put that like a B tier. Kettle, B tier. Rattler. This is free kits. Rattler, probably D tier. Pharaoh, S tier. Berletta, probably B tier. Anvil, S tier. Toro, really bad actually. Arpeggio, not bad, B tier. Venator, probably S. A, you can keep your distance. Probably C. Mono C. Bobcat A. Tempest A.
Yeah.
Tempest A. Patina. Dude, this gun is just fucking trash, by the way. And then S tier. This is PvE. Yeah, the hairpin actually can go A.